guys ready? Santa Tio has arrived. Stay.
Hay una cara de hierro.
That's that classy soundtrack right there.
Ay. Si usan la soga para bajar. Ay.
Llega al punto que uno se empieza a sentir mal por ello. No looking.
Ay, te van a
Try to sneak a peek. Oh my gosh, there's that smile. There's my handsome nephew.
de la soga. El ruidero. Arriba y como. ¡Epa! ¡Bum! El ruidero.
lot more expressive with your eyes when you're doing
La
this.
paloma.
So we can see your smile.
Not necessarily.
A defender el niño.
Be normal, be you, and I,
No, I mean you. When you're drawing somebody, you need them to smile. Right.
Yeah, make them smile.
Yeah. No.
Y ahí vienen todos los palomas sobre ella.
I thought you were laughing at that. I was like, I thought you were laughing really hard.
Amelia went up to pee. Papi went outside.
Mom's eyes on you.
Mom's eyes on you. I look like her. It was probably mom's eyes on me.
Right, instead of on her, I drew them
Mira cómo quedaron de pluma.
And we'll be down in a minute. Okay. You love it? I really want to do that.
Who's that? You sure? Oh, I don't know if I can fit you in there.
There's apple, pear,
My arm is there.
rosé.
I would love for you to sit on my lap. Yeah, that could work. Since I'm gonna draw your dad in a moment. You gonna come and check it out?
Hey, look at those teeth.
Todavía recuerdo yo esas grandes fiestas que
Yeah.
se ve con música.
Hey! Amelia! Girl, what were you doing? Daniela está flaco, ¿sabes?
I have to draw him so that the video's going. Those are your bottom teeth. These are your bottom teeth.
Alani tremendo.
Wait, I'm gonna draw that. Right there is perfect. Oh, right here would be perfect.
está como un chinito, un chinito. Ese chinito desde que nació es así como un
You're just
chinito.
drawing the board, bud.
Qué lindo.
Debe de encontrar.
Now who's that? Ah, bueno. I love that. Who is that? Puppy. But still looks not like him.
Ese de aquí te pasó.
Es de que no se parece. Oh, igualito.
Wow.
No, yo salí chulísima en esa foto.
En esa
Oh.
foto. There we go. Yeah, we did it. We did it. I made
Mira,
it.
high five.
High five. Eso. Love you. Go ahead,
Mira
mama.
la boca Amelia.
Déjame ver la boca.
Sorry, sir. There you go.
Déjame ver.
Tiene dos ya.
Daniel.